Well, how are you? Hope that you're doing well out there. We're almost at the end of the week, so hang in there, guys. We're almost at Friday. I hope that you're doing well in your part of the world. Hope you're good and safe in your part of the world. This is the Data Roundtable where we come together to talk about whatever we'd like as data professionals. That's the whole purpose. The purpose is for us to get together, say hello, create some community, create some common ground in terms of sharing ideas, listening to other ideas, giving feedback, receiving feedback. That's what we're here for. So if there's something that I can do to help you, please let me know. Please let me know what's on your mind. What are you up to? What's going on in your life? That's the whole purpose here of the Data Roundtable. So let me know what you're up to. Hopefully you're doing well. Hopefully you're moving, you're advancing, you're studying, you're reading, you're doing whatever. But I'm here to hear all about it, and maybe other people will be too. I stream just about every day. I'm here on YouTube at this hour, so whatever hour this is in your time zone. And then after I finish this, I go over to Instagram and I stream over on Instagram, so you can catch me either here on YouTube or on my Instagram, DS with Dennis. DS with Dennis is my account name on virtually every social media platform out there. But let me know how you're doing. Let me know what you're up to. What do you got going on? What are you working on? Those are all valid things for us to discuss as data professionals. This morning, I've been doing some filming around some questions and other items that people had posted. Always happy to get caught up with those items because people have a lot of really interesting questions out there. So it's good to see what variety of questions they have. So did some filming around that if you want to check it out on my Instagram. In the chat, we have Osama. Osama, my good friend. It's been a while. Where have you been? Where have you been, Osama? Osama says, hello, sir. Nice to see you. I hope everything is going well. Yeah, well, I hope the same for you. Where have you been, my friend? It's been a little bit. So Osama, I think this might actually be the first time you're joining us in my widescreen live format. I have switched over to a widescreen live, but yeah, good to see you, my friend. Hope everything is going well out there in Morocco. I hope it's finally cooling down out there because I'm sure you had a very warm summer, but I think most places in the world are now cooling down. Where I live, it's definitely a little cooler. So I hope the same for you, Osama. Good to see you, my friend. So yeah, as I was saying, please feel free to let me know what you're working on. It's open discussion. I have no agenda when I walk into these meetings. I'm here to listen to you guys. I'm here to talk about whatever you'd like to talk about. So yeah, let me know what's going on. What's going on in your world? What's happening? I mentioned that I did some filming, and then I have a client call later this morning, and then we'll see what the day brings. We'll see what the day brings after that. But yeah, lots of good things happening in the world. Lots of good things happening in the data science world. So let me know what you're working on. What are you tracking? What are you reading? What AI tools are you using? What's got you disappointed? What's got you interested? I've been talking about doing some mid-journey explorations. I finally got my act together and did a little bit of that yesterday. I have to get one of the paid accounts though. I haven't done my paid account yet. So I think I'm going to sign up for a paid account on Mid-Journey, at least for a little bit. But yeah, let me know what you guys are up to. What are you doing? What are you reading? What are you doing today to improve yourself? What are you doing today to become a better data scientist? You're not going to become a great data scientist in a week, but you can make a lot of progress in a week. You put a couple weeks together, and then you put a couple months together, and you put a couple years together. Next thing you know, you're a pretty good data scientist, right? So what are you doing today to help move you along? As I was saying, I stream both on YouTube and on Instagram. I love the fact that on YouTube, we tend to have a little bit more of an elevated conversation. And then on Instagram, we have more of a jobs and career-oriented discussion. So neither discussion is better or worse than the others. It's just funny to see how different they can be. But like I said, I'm here for whatever you guys want to talk about. No agenda. Just gonna hold space and facilitate whatever you guys want to talk about. So please let me know what you're up to and see where the conversation leads us. It's already Thursday. Where has this week gone? This week has gone by very, very fast. But you know, as I've said before, with my work as a content creator, one day just blends into the next. It's really hard to distinguish the days sometimes. So I'm just going to keep on moving forward with my business, keep on moving forward with my coaching clients, and also kind of my, I guess you could say like my overall teaching abilities, right? You know, that's something I'm always working on, something that I'm trying to craft in a positive way. So these live streams are part of it, the content creation is part of it, the one-on-one coaching is part of it. But yeah, that's what I'm doing to move forward in my career to get just a little bit better today. What are you doing? What are you doing to get just a little bit better today? Let me know. Again, you're not going to make big leaps and bounds in data science, but you can make small little adjustments, small little changes, progress forward, right? Nothing wrong with taking small steps, guys. Definitely don't be discouraged by taking small steps. Small steps are better than no steps at all, and most people are taking no steps at all. Right? So don't be one of the people that takes 0 steps. All right, guys, so I think this is a natural transition point. I'm going to switch over to Instagram. Feel free to follow me over there. As we all know, we live in a crazy and dynamic world, and I worry about all of you guys. So please take care of yourselves, take care of your families, and I will see you guys again tomorrow.